The next movement in the Swimming in Chocolate Heavenly 7 series is called Heavenly Velvet. To begin, bring your hands down to your sides. Breathe in. Rotate your shoulders open. Lift your arms up with your dantian, keeping your shoulders down. Bring your hands together. Bring your elbows together. Breathing out, push, as if you're pushing a post down into the ground. Breathe in, rotate your shoulders open. Breathing in, lift your arms up from your dantian, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Make sure that when you breathe in and rotate your shoulder, you're really rotating from the shoulder, not just turning from the forearm, but opening your whole shoulder. Breathing in, you're lifting up from the dantian, the shoulders stay down. Bring your hands together, your elbows together. Breathe out, you're driving a post into the ground. Look that your stance is solid. Your feet are flat on the ground. You're pressing the ball of the big toe a little bit down and to the sides. And you have an arc feeling in your legs. Breathe in, open your shoulders. Breathing in, lifting from your dantian. Keep your shoulders down, up over your head. Bring your hands together, your elbows together. And as you breathe out, you feel like you're driving a post into the ground. At the end, bring your hands together like this, resting on your dantian.